Here's to making a delicious creamy chicken enchilada soup, y'all. All right, here's all your main ingredients. Then you have to pour about 2 cups of chicken stock. Pour in 10 ounces of enchilada sauce. Make sure that you strain your corn and your black beans. Diced tomatoes, green chilies. Cut up about half an onion and half a pepper, finely chopped. A pound to a pound and a half of chicken. Here's all of your seasonings that you need. And then slow cook it for about 4 hours. And you will have a nice chicken enchilada soup. All right, y'all, it's been 4 hours. All right, y'all, we can't forget about our toppings: cheese, sour cream, and tortilla chips. Crunch up your tortilla chips, layer on some cheese, dollop of sour cream. Hey, y'all, almost forgot the Cholula.